It all started this one night when I couldn't sleep. It wasn't because I have to find a job after I graduate, but it was something I heard in church where my pastor said this.
Praise the Lord. यीशु हमारे बीच में है.
यीशु हमारे बीच में है? Wait, यीशु हमारे बीच में है? My father is keeping our beach a secret. So before I take a flight and go to Mumbai and question my Pitaji, we had a beach in Delhi. I thought, since I'm in Chicago, let me see the top 5 beaches in Chicago. Because what if I show my body in front of camera? Bro, I have a shirt inside. I was attending online church and this pastor named Jaren Joel said something which really moved me. What does the cow say? Moved me. He said, Parmeshwar hamare beach mein hai. For some of you super holy people that are thinking, oh my god, bro, the pastor is talking about God is with us. Is with us. This is what the pastor meant. God is in our beach. Hear the revelation between the lines, guys. You told me we didn't have a beach. We have house loans.
And certain things cannot be told on camera.
No, Dad. No. This is not fair. I need to go to Mumbai and get this clarified. Mom, your mom's a bi? No, bro. She a mother. She gave birth to me.
She gave what?
Bharat. She gave Bharat to us. Mother India gave Bharat to us. Crazy how I'm connecting stuff, bro. I'm Nokia. Why is my roommate calling me? Congratulations! Wow! Wait, what? Anna got his job? Just like my meh morning, Anna was also having a meh morning. He's trying to find a job and there is no response from the current company he's applying to.
I'll get a job as well. They'll live happily ever after.
No! Guys, Anna got his job.
Not Cinderella, but Giselle.
Giselle?
Giselle.
Giselle kaun hai?
Disney princess.
Sometimes, bro, I really don't know what Abhishek says, bro. We just got news that Anna is gonna earn $75 an hour.
That's a lot of money for us.
$75
an hour.
To give you perspective, $75 an hour equal to 8 hours a day into 75, which is $600 a day into 5 days of a work week, which is $3,000 a week. Anna is making 2.7 lakhs a week. While me, I am earning $0 an hour, which is equal to $0 a day into 6 days of the week because we are closed on Sunday like Chick-fil-A, which is equal to $0 a week equal to 0 lakhs a week. That is my income. I earn $0 an hour.
But you will.
Guys,
Stay positive, okay? Stay positive.
ऐसा गिर पाए
गिर जाएगा यार.
अरे मैं गिर जाऊंगा यार. मैंने इसको पूछा है.
क्विंटल का है तू?
क्या है?
बोल रहे 1 क्विंटल का है तू.
I am one quid. This is not fat shame. This is a world problem. There is no comeback for this in the books, guys. I then went to the bathroom. Welcome to Commode Review. Guys, this is my bathroom. We kill minimum of 5 cockroaches a day. If you don't do the mehnat, then don't cry when they creep on you all night. What's a sales target? This is a health target. Can we kill 5 cockroaches today? Like right now, I'm gonna show you a cockroach in the bathroom. Guys, I'm not able to find a cockroach. Are we that clean that cockroaches aren't there? That's not possible.
I don't know what magic Anna did, but I don't see any cockroaches in the.
Yeah, bro, see, I found one.
Oh, pillow.
We decided to name the baby cockroach
Rochester.
Rochester. We are gonna kill Rochester today. You are gonna witness live murder today. Abhishek, please do the honors.
I don't see the Rochester.
Rochester. Oh yeah. Live murder. Who says Chicago is safe? Coming back to the beach review, there are 3 things we are gonna test. The first thing is, can I make susu there? Can I have a pleasant piss, or am I pissing on someone else's piss? Like, I don't wanna do that. The second thing, I'ma taste the water and give it a rating from 1 to 10. Have you ever boiled rice and there's that water remaining? Take that water, have a bath in that water. Don't flush it down the drain. Put thumbs up in it, stir it, let the fizz evaporate. Put that water in a pateli, boil it. After you boil it, all the water has been evaporated and there is residue down. Every day BMC uses that same concoction and sprays it on top of the water. It's pre-planned pollution. How do you make your water so dirty? But what if Chowpatty water voted in the upcoming elections and either chose Congress or BJP? Like say water has a voice and water voted. I mean water has to get 70% of the votes because everything around water is 70%. 70% of the body, 70% of the land. 70% of the land is water. It's crazy. Like 70% of the land is water. And the third and final evaluation is, what's the vibes? Gee? Can I have fun over there? Or like nobody's at the beach and I'm not having fun at all? Just that one crab with headphones on listening to Yo-Yo Honey sing.
What is going on?
I got ready to go to the beach.
Let me give you my 2 cents on racism. Like, to be very honest,
I'm waiting for the lift to anti-lift me. Pro tip in Chi-Town, always check the weather before you leave because you never know when it gets cold. There's a certain sound which black people make. It's like There's so much disgust in that tonality. Your son got an F in chemistry? Oh my god, your son sucks. Black people are so unique. What? Unique. I sat for the bus to take me to the first beach, Oak Street Beach. Bus idhar hai. I started from my house very late, so as I came closer to the beach, it had become evening. But yeah, it's very dark. I started late from home. I also happened to miss my stop. I missed my stop. I took a bus from Lake Meadows, where I stay, to Oak Street Beach. I missed my stop a lot. Then I got off at Gold Coast. I could have just taken the bus back, but I decided to walk towards Oak Street. So I'm walking right now. They don't own me. I'm a bad boy. Bro, where is the beach? मैं बीच में खड़ा हूँ. You're standing in the middle? नहीं, मैं बीच में खड़ा हूँ. You're standing in the middle? Bro, I'm standing in the middle of the beach. Oh. To be honest, apartments in these areas cost at least $1 million. I have come to Gold Coast, the richest area in Chicago. All the rich Chicagoans, they are from Goa, kya? They are from Chicago. You never walk in streets of Chicago post 7 p.m. It is unsafe. But anything for the vlog, guys. This is a rich neighborhood. The entrances look so beautiful. Guys, to give you perspective, I am at Marine Drive. I took a bus from Worli, the other side, where I stay, to Girgaon Chowpatty, but got off at Marine Lines next to the Queen's Necklace. And I have to go to Girgaon Chowpatty. As I reach Shawnee Road now. Guys, I'm really bummed out. I came to Marine Lines. But on the positive side, Oak Park Beach and North Avenue Beach are very close by. The second beach on the menu is called North Avenue Beach. These two beaches are very close together like my parents. Hence, I can hit both beaches at once. No, wait. I can't hit. I can visit both beaches at once. Make susu on both the areas. After a lot of walking, I became hungry. I finally entered the subway to go to Oak Park Beach. Now, if I look like a lost vagabond, you are right. First of all, thank you so much for watching so far. Even I wouldn't watch so far. This is the part where I have realized that my bus dropped me on the other side of Girgaon Chowpatty. Hence, now I am walking towards Walkeshwar. I'm in the beach. As mentioned earlier, there are 3 things we will review on the beach. Starting with the bathroom and peeing experience. I would say it smells good. Although it doesn't look good, it really smells good. I would give the pee experience a 6.5 out of 10. There is no hot water flush after I pee, if you can see. There's no tissues I can access. Oh, there are tissues. 7.5. Oak Beak scored a... Yeah, Oak Beak. What do you think, it's a beach? No. Oak Beak scored a 7.5 for the pee experience. Pee experience. For the vibes, there was only one group in the playground. I would give this a 7 for the vibe. Now for the taste test. I have never tasted seawater, so I don't know how to evaluate this seawater. And you can't see me as well. And I already tasted it, but you guys didn't see me. So I'm gonna do it again. I should not fall also in the lake. So my hand is... Blueberries. It's not salty water, it's fresh water. Out of 10, I would probably rate the water a 5. What did Bay of Bengal tell Arabian Sea? I can't see you. Although it's pretty small, there's so many people playing volleyball. The vibes on this beach, like, I have to give it a 10 on 10. Look at all these potential friends I could make if I didn't have social anxiety. But, छोड़ेंगे कहाँ? The men's restroom is closed. कहाँ छोड़ूँ मैं भाई? 0 out of 10. Hey, this is not an exaggeration. भाई, मुझे छोड़ना है. मैं कहाँ छोड़ूँ भाई? Maybe like Agape, go to the other side and check na. I'm not gonna walk around and hold my piss. After I've seen the OSS, I don't want it to tell me, oh my god, it's a mirage, bro. Let me still give them one chance. Okay, bigger bathroom. Not bad for the bathroom. But what is this? Geometrically shaped piss pots. What is this beach on, bro? Peer review. I have never pissed in such a piss pot earlier in my life. The cold lighting in the bathroom really bumped up the ambience. They had a tissue and a sanitizer, so this from a 0 easily gets a 9. We have a happy side where life is going on, and we have a calm side where nothing is going on. And after a really long day, you can just zone off in this beach, walk on the sand, reminisce about the beautiful life God has given you. The wind blowing on your face, hearing the ocean waves. That's a crazy feeling. Everything is so pinky today. Everything's so pinky today. That's what I said. I tasted the water and it was same like the previous water. So I'ma give it a 5. It was a happy, fun-filling day. A lot of things happened today, and I can't wait to show you the other 3 beaches that ChatGPT told me was the best beach.